everyone, it's Maria with Angelfish Design. Today I am going to be sharing with you some supplies that I will be using as I participate in a collaboration, challenge, group that's being hosted by Christian's Crafty Adventures here on YouTube and on Instagram, and I'll put those links down below. She is doing a Christmas in July. Work on your December daily or make whatever projects that you feel you want to make to get a head start and a jump on our Christmas projects that we don't normally have a chance to do once December rolls around and it gets crazy busy. So I wanted to share with you today the kit that I put together from things I pulled from my stash that I will be using. I'm going to be working on assembling a December daily that I can use this year. So let's get going and see what I have. This is what I will be using for my papers. Now if I feel I need something else, I'll just reach for that and grab it out of my stash as well. But I'm going to try to stick to this as closely as possible. So I have this little bag with gold dots. I have this 6x8 pad of Merry Days paper. Then I have this paper from, I think last year maybe. I just thought it was so cute. It's the perfect color, has all these little bears, bunnies, deer, etc. on it. Then I found this bag in my stash, and it is also the perfect colors because what I'm going for is this really pale aqua and the pinks, some neutral ivory colors, and whatever else comes along. And then I have these sweet pages from a vintage reader, kids reader for school, and these, again, the colors seem perfect, and it was kind of, I didn't see anything Christmas related, but ice skating seems good for winter too. Some gold address labels. This I had left over. It's a kit from Tanya Lee Designs, I believe is her name. I'll put her information also down below, but I had printed these out a year or two ago and was using them to make Christmas cards, but they have such sweet pictures and designs that, and the colors are good, so I'm going to go with that as well. I have some vintage typing paper, a few pages from an old daily journal thing, one sheet of some ledger paper, music. These are just fun. They're a pretty color with the dots on them. And some copy paper in the pink and a pale blue. And then I have a few of these sheets from a 12x12. I think it might have been a recollections pad, I'm not really sure, but not a lot of it fit my color scheme, so I just pulled a few pages out of that. And I am going to be doing a junk journal style December daily as per my usual, because I do love junk journals. So that is the paper. And next we'll go on to some of the other small items that I have. Okay, so my first folder of goodies is a variety of random things. I like to keep them all together, and I love these little clear pockets from the Dollar Tree. They come in very handy. So I have a little package of ribbon bits, this cute little Christmas tree tag. I think I got these from Target several years ago. Some baker's twine and pinks and some red. This cute penguin sticky note pad. Some washi tape. A crepe paper rosette that I made at some point. If you could see that, they're look like bottle brush trees. I have the stamps for these as well, but I had stamped these a while back. I have this ribbon, cute striped ribbon, a ticket, again a bunch of scraps, this pretty Believe die cut, a few embellishments that I made that I never used in any other book. Another Santa tag. These are some more of the cutouts from the printable from Tanya Lee Designs. Most of them are anyway. There's a couple that aren't. But I can cut those out and use those in embellishments. Some more baker's twine. Again, just some more scraps of things. This was some cute little note paper. I really like the black and white stripe on the edge. These are some kind of funky looking rosettes that I made out of tissue paper. So I received a package from someone and it had a bunch of crumpled up tissue paper in it, you know, to keep everything from moving around. So I thought, well, maybe I'll try making some rosettes out of that. Then I have some blank cards and some coffee dyed phone message pages and guest checks. Oh, this one's not coffee dyed, so I can use that. This one also isn't coffee dyed, but I have several of those that'll be fun to use. A couple of paper clips that are Merry Days clips left over. Those will be cute. This is some nice little pom-pom trim in that aqua teal color. And of course I could use this glassine bag as well. These are some page flags. They're the right color, so I threw them in here from Target Dollar Spot many years ago. This was just a tag. I think it was also from the Target Dollar Spot, but it matches the stickers that I will be showing you in a minute. Again, one of those. There's a lot of this kind of floating around in here. More from that printout. And a package of silver doilies. Oh, this was all left over because these were from the cards that I was going to make. So that's what these are. So it's some music paper and cheesecloth. Lots more of that printout. And then these I may or may not use for this because this is actually what I was using for the Christmas cards. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that's the first folder there of stuff. You can see that it's just a nice hodgepodge of things that I'm going to use. And then I have this cute little basket to put some of the stuff in as well. Put that over to the side. I have this whole reel of some snippet paper, snippet roll that I made in pinks and reds. I think I made it for Valentine's Day, but it doesn't really say Valentine's Day. There's nothing on it that screams Valentine's Day, so I'm going to use it for this project as well. I have this roll of the snow looking mesh from the Dollar Tree last Christmas. Love this stuff. I used it in last year's December Daily and just loved it. It gives such a great look. Alright, what else do we have? I have some red alphabet stickers. Those are cute. And I just went to Tuesday Morning yesterday. Oh my gosh, that store was in shambles. I couldn't even believe it. It's not even one of the ones that's closing, and it was a disaster area. Such a shame. But anyway, I did find a couple of Snow and Cocoa items, so I did go ahead and pick those up. These are super cute cards, and I thought they would be perfect to cut out, make tags or journal cards, whatever. These I'm going to save because that's... I'm going to show you all of that at one time. I have these clothespins. I have some stickers. They're little enamel stars. These came from the Target Dollar Spot a few years ago. And then these are the stickers that I was talking about that match that other tag. So I'm finally going to use these for the numbers for my December Daily. Then I also have... These are so sweet, these little reindeer. I just love them. I have several packages of these because I just had to have those. And that was, again, from several years ago. I have this that was from some kind of packaging. It's just an acetate sheet with this bow on it. I figured that could go in there somewhere. I have a stencil. You can't see the stencil. What do I have here? That doesn't really show up either. I don't know. Anyway, it's got a tree and holly and a really stylized snowflake. I have this tablet. These are fun. Even if I don't use the Santa, it's great to cut these off and add these lines for journaling space. So I always like doing that, and that's a lot of fun. And this is another gift tag that coordinates with the tree from before. I have these clothespins. And this, another tablet, I doubt I will use the top part of it, but I love the pink and the reddish lines. I think that coordinates really well. So I'll probably cut those apart. Picked up these also just yesterday. And these are really cute. They're tags, and it came with the baker's twine and some extra tags there. So I'm looking forward to using those. Some sticky flags. I thought the little bear and the penguin and the fox and the snowman would all just go really well with this theme. Okay, and then I have another little bag of goodies with, I think these are adhesive flowers. I thought that would go well with the color scheme. Oh gosh, just another bag of things that I had cut out previously to use elsewhere. So it's little words and scraps and another die cut, so things like that. This is sweater weather. I don't know, I mean it's American Craft, but I don't know who the designer is. It doesn't really say, but those are some cute die cuts as well. Thought some of those would go well. Scrap of paper. Oh, this doesn't belong in here. More scraps. These sweet little doily embellishments. Super cute. Then I bought these for my daughter a while back. She is an adult, so no, I didn't buy whiskey chocolate for a child, but I thought the packaging was just too cute, so that could definitely be used for something. And then these gray and white trims I thought would be pretty. And this package, Pink Fresh Holiday Wishes. So again, some more super cute die cuts. I probably won't use all of them because some have darker colors, and not everything matches, but I think I can use some of those. So now the last thing I have to share is the stamp sets that I pulled out. So I have 3 stamp sets that are from close to my heart. I'm sure they are all discontinued or retired at this point, so you would have to look for them on eBay or something if you absolutely are in love with any of them and have to have them. This one is called Jack Card Making. I love this bear. He has little arms here that you can make. You can make him hold a cup of cocoa or whatever. He can have a little hat or this little winter type hat. So I thought that bear went well with what I wanted to do. I pulled out this, what is the name of it? The Long Way Home. But I like this car. I thought I could stamp out that car and then stamp a tree and put the tree on top, and that'd be super cute. And then I have these Snow Friend snowmen who are just too cute. And I thought they'd go great with this as well. I have this Mama Elephant set because I just adore these little reindeers. So I had to have that one. And the last things I picked up yesterday for the Snow and Cocoa were these 2 sets. I really like the little houses. There, of course, is the car with the tree on it already, but I can have more cars with trees on it. Why not? And I do like that it had a few sentiments and the snowflakes, the little deer. So those will be cute. This set was adorable from the Sweet Stamp Shop. I used to have a little dog that looked very much like this, and I just used to stamp that for cards from him because this is a from your dog set. But I thought that some of the sentiments would be cute. The Bah Humbug and that moment when festive seemed like a good idea. Sounds like a good one to put with some ugly sweater photos. And these are just some more sentiments that I have, little ones. And the last thing I have to share is, of course, this set of stamps with the bottle trees on it. So we'll see if I use those. Those are super cute, and that is everything that I have so far. I hope you have enjoyed my share of my supplies, and I will see you in the next video. It will either be to share with you what I've made, or maybe if I get myself to do it, I'll do some craft with me videos where I am putting together some of the projects. So I hope to see you back then. Check out the information down below. Check out Christian's info and her video that has all the details in it. It sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. No stress at all. Nothing you absolutely have to do. Just come along with us and have some fun. So I will see you next time. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.